So today we're actually going to be bringing this guy in. It's time to say goodbye to Papa Smurf. Piper, you know what we're doing today? We gotta go and look for a new car. Piper, is it your birthday tomorrow? Yeah, it is. So, Paula, what are we doing today?
Going to get a new car.
You heard it. She said it.
Yes, indeed.
Here we go. Alright, so we're sitting at Hyundai today. Paula needs to trade in her car because her lease is up. How you feeling so far?
Feeling good. Feeling good. Excited.
Alright, we'll see what happens. So how you feeling? What do you think so far?
I'm pretty excited. Honestly, to tell you the truth, I drove it. I felt it. It felt great. Color-wise, something different for me. I'm going from the surf blue.
I actually really like the color.
It's very nice. So we're going to talk about it because I felt it and I love it.
So she finally decided and she ended up getting the car. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I can't wait till Tuesday.
So we come pick it up Tuesday and she ended up debating between two different ones. One is the limited and then this one. She ended up going with this one. It's a nice little color though. I'll show you the black one.